In this video, I will show you 7 e-commerce businesses that you can start in 2021. Do you want to build a successful online business but don't know where to start? Well, here's your answer. There are 7 different ways that you could make money with an e-commerce business. And today I am going to break them all down for you so that way by the end of this video, you'll have a few ideas for what kind of e-commerce business is best suited for you. 1. eBay store. Opening an eBay business is a fantastic idea for determined self-starters who want a flexible schedule and are already familiar with eBay. Knowing what sells well, how to price items correctly, and how to get your listings discovered will help you flourish in this business. It's also a business that you can personalize to your specific interests and experience, making it both fun and profitable. Only the seller's time and scope constrain the potential for expansion. A winning strategy is to choose a specialty or niche area to sell popular items that you care about. Thanks to low setup and maintenance costs, your earning potential is virtually endless once you get things going. 2. Etsy store. Running an Etsy shop could be fun for someone who enjoys making handcrafted things or shopping for vintage finds. This is a fantastic site for artists to sell their work, as well as anyone who enjoys creating and selling well-made items. Sellers must have the skills required to identify or make the things they provide and basic computer skills and experience with marketing and/or promotion to promote their products, combined with a strong entrepreneurial spirit. These core skills can help you turn a hobby into a lucrative business enterprise. While you may opt for a part-time career with fewer hours, the income potential is significant, with some vendors earning 6 figures. When a seller's business outgrows Etsy, the platform even has a program to help them start their own website. 3. E-commerce store. If you wish to provide people with the things and services they need, an e-commerce store may be the right business for you. By providing low-cost access to a wide range of goods and services, e-commerce retailers make a significant difference in people's lives. To get things started, you'll need a modest amount of seed money to cover your website, servers, any employees, marketing, and other corporate services, as well as some knowledge of web design, marketing, internet security, and computer programming. With online shopping growing increasingly popular, an e-commerce company's growth potential is limited by its ability to find the right product or niche. 4. eBook store. An eBook store is a terrific method to make a consistent income. Writers who want to sell their novels online can do so utilizing a variety of e-commerce platforms. You can sell ebooks on Amazon Kindle, Nook, and your own website, among other places. Costs can be kept low if you're willing to do all the design, graphics, and editing work yourself. If you don't, you might easily spend more than $2,000 on these services. As with any literary venture, profits might vary substantially. On average, authors may expect to earn around $10,000 each year. On the other hand, some more well-known self-published authors earn 6 figures to a few $1,000,000 per year. This is a low-risk way to start into the field if you enjoy writing. 5. Marketplace website business. A marketplace website, often known as an online marketplace, is a website that facilitates the exchange of goods and services between buyers and sellers. Anyone with a strong passion for a particular topic might enjoy running a marketplace website. These websites usually specialize in specific niches, bringing together merchants and customers with a common interest in that topic. Amazon, Uber, and eBay are all well-known marketplace systems, but smaller sites that cater to specific niche merchants are always popping up. Startup costs vary widely depending on how you wish to construct your site, but they're normally pretty high. It could cost more than $100,000 to build a high-quality website from the bottom up. Even if you choose a lower-cost monthly package, you'll have to put in a lot of work to generate enough traffic to make your site viable. Despite the high starting costs, the profit potential as the company expands is significant. The most successful corporations make billions of dollars every year. 6. Domain registration service. Starting a domain registration firm is a wonderful alternative for web-savvy, well-organized entrepreneurs. Even though domain registration firms aren't frequently considered e-commerce platforms, they provide domains and other online services. Because running a domain registration business requires certification, your initial and ongoing costs will include several $1,000s in upfront and annual accreditation fees. Although the earning potential is high, the market is tough to break into without complementary services such as website design. 7. Subscription business. Subscriptions were originally mostly limited to magazines and newspapers, But they reappeared in the form of subscription boxes just when you thought they were on their way out. So big, in fact, that the subscription box market grew by more than 100% per year from 2013 to 2018. Subscription boxes work in several ways, but they always involve signing up for a monthly delivery of a different type of item. Book clubs, coffee subscriptions, cosmetic subscriptions, and other subscriptions are all offered. Subscriptions are a great method to keep consumers happy while also predicting how much inventory you'll need at any one time. If you have any suggestions for future videos, post them below in the comments. I read them all.